Welcome to Impact. Headlines. Calls intensify for suspension of shipping through Red Sea. Eurozone to cut interest rates soon. China exports beat expectations. Following the deadly attack on the bulker ship True Confidence, the international community, including the United States, United Kingdom and Germany, have issued statements calling for shipping to be suspended through the Red Sea. The suspension of shipping through the Red Sea will both increase costs and the likelihood of more diversions, impacting both shipowners and seafarers. Impact on Sri Lanka. The Port of Colombo has seen a 25% increase in transshipment volumes in January from a year earlier, with shippers rerouting their vessels around the Cape of Good Hope to avoid disruptions to shipments and high insurance premiums. The Colombo port has emerged as a major transit point. Transshipment volumes account for a substantial 81% of the total throughput. European central banks policymakers are supporting interest rate cuts in the coming months as inflation inches closer to the desired target of 2%. According to Joachim Nagel, Bundesbank president, there is a high probability that the first rates will be seen before the summer break. Reuters states that the central bank is expected to make the first rate cut in June, followed by 3 more by December. Impact on Sri Lanka. The Eurozone is a key market for both Sri Lankan exports and tourists. Potential rate cuts in the Eurozone can positively help Sri Lanka's falling export earnings and also encourage European traveller spending, positively affecting the BOP. China's exports surpassed expectations in January and February, rising 7.1% on a year-on-year basis, beating Reuters' 1.9 estimate. Exports in January and February were at a $528 billion. Meanwhile, imports also followed suit, growing 3.5% during the same period. Impact on Sri Lanka. China is important for Sri Lanka's exports and tourism, contributing positively for overall economic growth. In 2023, close to 70,000 Chinese travellers visited Sri Lanka, although still lower than 250,000 prior to the COVID pandemic.